Hello dear students, welcome back to the online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, today's video I am going to explain the exercises of chapter number 4. In my previous video we have already learned the story of chapter number 4. So today we are going to solve the exercises. So first of all, you all take out your New Chance English Reader book and open page number 25. On page number 25 there is a story, A Rainy Day. It is a chapter number 4 and the title of this chapter is A Rainy Day. So dear student, in this story we have learned about the Amol who is coming back from school. The whole story is about a little boy whose name is Amol, and he is coming back from school and he is feeling scared because there are black clouds in the sky. As you can see, there is a little boy whose name is Amol. So this whole story is related to Amol. Okay, that how could he protect himself in rainy days. Okay, so student, so we have learned in the story that there was a boy whose name was Amol. He was feeling scared because there were black clouds in the sky and he didn't want to get wet and didn't want his books get wet. So suddenly it begins to rain and big raindrops fall on the road and fall on the houses. As you can see, the big raindrops fall on Amol and they fall on the road and also fall on the house edge. Okay student, and so that time Amol stand under a tree. The tree does not let Amol get wet, and that time a little pup comes to Amol and stand near him. So it's raining and raining, so the tree gets wet and the Amol gets wet and the little pup also gets wet. So what happened next? So we have learned in this story that suddenly it stopped raining and Amol runs home and he wants to reach home soon. So the pup runs after him. The pup is also running after Amol, and again it starts raining and raining. So that time Amol said that, oh, what a rainy day. We have to learn in this story that how could this little boy tried to protect himself, but he doesn't protect himself. Okay students, so these are the story of this chapter. Now we moving to the exercises. So here is the first exercise, as you can see, that is given on page number 27. So you all open page number 27. So there is a first exercise is exercise A. In exercise A, there is an answer this question. So dear student, you have to note down this given question answer in your notebook. So for that you all take out your notebook and mention date of today. So there is total 4 questions. There is a number 1 is, where is Amol coming back from? Second is, where does Amol stand when it begins to rain? Third is, who comes and stand near him? And fourth is, who gets wet? First write 1, 2 and 3. Okay student, so firstly we are going to write this exercise in notebook. Okay student, so like this you all write date of today in your notebook, and after that you have to write the chapter name, that is A Rainy Day. Okay, you have to mention the title of this story, that is A Rainy Day, and after that you have to mention exercise A, that is answer this question. Okay, answer this question. So there is a first question is, where is Amol coming back from? Where is Amol coming back from? So student, the answer will be Amol is coming back from school. The question is, where is Amol coming back from? So we all learn in the story that Amol is coming back from school. So we have to write down the answer, that is Amol is coming back from school. Okay student. Now the next question is, where does Amol stand when it begins to rain? Question number 2 is, where does Amol stand when it begins to rain? So we have to note down the answer, that is Amol stands under a tree when it begins to rain. Amol stands under a tree when it begins to rain. Okay student. Now third question. Third question is, who comes and stand near him? Who comes and stand near him? So student, the answer will be the cute pup comes and stand near Amol. Okay, who comes and stand near him? So the cute pup comes and stand near Amol. Okay. After this, the next question is question number 4. In question number 4, who gets wet first? Write 1, 2 and 3. So we have to give number according to the who gets wet first. Okay. So there is a first is Amol, then the tree, then the pup. So tell me who get wet first? So we all know that the tree get wet first. So we have to write here 1 in the given blank of the tree. Okay, and after that who get wet second? So the Amol get wet second, and after that the third is the pup. Okay, in number 1 there is the tree gets wet first, and after that Amol, and next last one is the pup. Okay students, so like this we have to give number according to the given word. Okay, who get wet first. So student, like this you have to write this given exercise A in your notebook. Okay, so now we moving to the next exercise, that is exercise B. So come to the page number 27. So student, on page number 27 there is a next exercise, exercise B. So what will we do in this exercise? So here is the tick the correct words. We have to take the correct word according to the sentence that is given here, as you can see. So there is a first age. There are black clouds in the sky. There are black clouds in the sky. So first question is, who sees the black clouds? Here are two options. First is Amol and another one is the pup. So tell me which option is correct, that who sees the black clouds in the sky? So we all know that Amol sees the black clouds in the sky. So we have to take the given option Amol, that is option number A. Now the second is, how did he feel? The second is, how did he feel? So student, tell me how did Amol feel when he see the black clouds in the sky? He feel happy or scared? So he feel scared. So we have to take the option number B. Okay students, so like this you have to complete this exercise A and B. Now we moving to the next exercise, that is exercise C. So what will we do in this exercise? So in this exercise C, add ing to these words and write them on the blanks. Student, there is a given word. There are some words we have to use ing. We have to add ing to these words, and after that we have to rewrite this given word on the blanks. Okay, we have to write down this given words by adding ing on the blank. Okay, so there is a first word is walk, second is ran, third is eat, fourth is stand, and fifth is help, and last one is play. So in this given words we have to add ing. Okay, so there is a first walk, so it will be walking. It will be walking. walking, walking. We have to add ing at the last. Okay. Next is ran, so it will be running. RAINING. Third is eat, so it will be eating. EATING, eating. Fourth is stand, so it will be standing. STANDING, standing. Fifth is help, so it will be helping. HELPING, helping. Sixth is play, so it will be playing. PLAYING, playing. Okay student, like this we have to complete this exercise C. Now the next one is exercise D. So in this exercise D, look at the pictures. What kind of a day is it? Write the correct words. So dear student, we have to write what kind of day is it according to the pictures, and after that we have to write their correct name on the given blanks. Okay, so the words are given in the blank boxes. We have to choose the correct word, and after that write down these words on the given blank. Okay, so first is, as you can see, tell me what kind of day it is. Is it? Tell me what kind of day is it? So it is a sunny day. As you can see, the sun is shine brightly. Okay, so it will be sunny day. So we have to write here sunny. What is spelling of sunny? So we have to choose the word from the box that is given. The spelling of sunny is SUNNY, sunny. So it will be sunny day. Okay. Now the second is, in second you can see there is a windy day. Okay. It is a kind of windy day. So we have to write here windy. What is spelling of windy? So WINDY, windy. Okay. Third is, as you can see, the clouds are in the sky. So it will be cloudy day. What is spelling of cloudy? CLOUDY, cloudy. Now the last one is fourth day is, as you can see, it's raining. So it will be rainy day. So we have to write here rainy, RAINY, rainy. Okay students, so like this we have to write the name of days according to the pictures. First is sunny day, second is windy day, third is cloudy day, and fourth is rainy day. So like this we have to complete this exercise. Now we moving to the next exercise, that is exercise E. In this exercise we have to use the letter in the box to complete the words. Okay. In this exercise we have to use the letter in the box to complete the words. So first is RAIN. As you can see, the first has been already done for you. So we have to do the next one, that is second SS. So we have to use the letter from the box. So here we have to use ELL. So it will be cell. SHELL, cell. Okay. In third it is CO. So we have to use letter AT. So it will be coat. COAT, coat. Fourth is there is a D dash dash. There is a 3 blanks. So on the given blanks we have to write OLL. It will be doll. DOLL, doll. Now the fifth is BE. So here we have to use the given letter AR. So it will be beer. BEAR, beer. Now the sixth one is P. So we have to use the last letters, that is AIN. So it will be pain. PAIN, pain. Okay. So like this we have to complete this exercise E. So now dear student, we moving to the next exercise, that is exercise F. So what will be doing in this exercise? There is a punctuation. So what is punctuation? Do you know about the punctuation? In the punctuation there is a uses of capital letter, full stop, question mark, exclamation mark. These all are the parts of punctuation. Okay. So student, write these sentences in your notebook, begin with capital letters and end with a full stop. As you all know that whenever we write a sentence, so we must be remember that first letter should be started with the capital letter, and when the sentence will be over, so we have to use the full stop. Okay student, so you have to write down this given sentences in your notebook. Begin with a capital letter. The first letter begin with a capital letter and the end of with full stop. Okay. So like this you have to write down. There is a first, it is raining. So the first letter of it will be in capital. So we have to write I in a capital letter, and after that we have to rewrite this given sentence, that it is raining, and after that we have to put a full stop at the end of sentence. Now the second is I got weight. So here we have to change the given letter into capital letter. Student, here is a, you have to change this given I in a capital. It is a correction here. It is only I, not it. Okay. I got weight. Okay student. Third is we will play games. So the letter W begin with capital letters, so it will be in capital form. So we will play games, and the end of the sentence we have to put a full stop. Now the fourth is we will have fun. So we have to change the first letter of this word V in capital, and after that we have to use full stop. So like this you have to complete this exercise. So dear student, that's it for today. Now I will explain the next remaining exercises in my next video. Okay students, so till then stay safe, stay healthy and keep watching my video. Thank you.